All Weidemann machines start out as a collection of steel components which are supplied as raw materials. To ensure optimal preparation for the subsequent powder coating and lacquering process, the components pass through a blasting system. After approximately 1 minute, the steel part is cleaned to the right quality for further processing. First, all areas to be excluded from the lacquering or powder coating process are covered over. These are areas which will come into contact with lubricants or similar later on. The components are fed automatically into the powder coating facility. Herein lies the secret of Weidemann's hallmark quality, giving the machines optimal protection against corrosion and other influences for an extra long lifetime. In the curing oven, the powder is then cured at 180 degrees for approximately 45 to 90 minutes, depending on the thickness of the material. As the curing process requires very high temperatures, not all parts can be coated in this way. Around 20% of the components are therefore wet coated. The cooled or dried parts are now ready for assembly. On the assembly line, the axles are first laid on track-guided trolleys. Then the front and rear body are mounted. After joining the front and rear body, also known as marriage, the swing arm or telescopic arm, hydraulic cylinders and wheels are mounted. At the production plant in Korbach, modern workstations have been created according to the latest safety standards. Various assist devices allow ergonomic work practices without the need for heavy lifting. The heart of the machine, the engine block, is installed along with the electronics and hydraulic hoses. To complete the machine, the driver's cab is now put in place. A few more screws are tightened and the right equipment features installed. A few last checks and adjustments are performed. The assembly lines form a precisely coordinated system of intermeshing steps. Finally, brand and type labels are affixed to the finished Weidemann machines to give them their identity. After the initial startup of the engine, the machines can leave the assembly lines under their own steam and travel to the final inspection point, before going out into the wide world to new adventures.